Okay, before installing the Redkey TMGC1000, let's have a look at what we need before the instrument. First, the charging station and ground plugs and screws for fixing the charging station, the power supply unit, and the low voltage cable. Of course, the main body, a measuring ruler, the wiring mounting screws, the boundary wire, a hammer, and a wire stripper. Let's start to install the Redkey TMGC1000. The first step is to install the charging station. I have put the charging station near the power source. Okay, let's have a look at the power station. The charging station is divided into two parts, the left part and the right part. The left part should be within the mowing areas, and the right part should outside the boundary. Let's see how to power up the charging station. First, open the door cover. Then connect the charging adapter to the charging station. If necessary, you can use the extension cord. Finally, just plug in. Okay, let's set up the boundary wire. First, we should thread the boundary wire through the cable duct on the charging station. Then, tap the boundary wire using a hammer. Then space the pegs 75 cm apart. Okay, if the wire between the two pegs is impinging, we should add a peg to fix it, or it will be cut by the mower. Position the boundary wire 10 cm away from the road. Position the boundary wire 35 cm away from the obstacles higher than 5 cm. Position the boundary wire 30 cm away from the obstacles approximately 1 to 5 cm high. Tap the boundary wire using a hammer. Okay, strip 10 to 15 mm in the terminal of the two wires. Connect the wires to the black terminal and the red terminal separately. Close the door cover. Insert the ground pegs. Then insert the screws. Check the robot. The mode key is for odd numbers, and the home key is for even numbers, and the on-off key is for confirmation. The initial pin code is 4 zeros. Let's first confirm the pin code. Then press the mode key and on-off key to start the robot.